Good morning, all friends in Angkor PhorsBartender. Hey, so today we are gonna to text about the Boston Sticker from the China. So let's see together, and we record the video for all of you, both of the unboxings. So let's see together. Arrive at the warehouse. So if you're in Cambodia, if you buy in the Alibaba, AliExpress, and also the Taobao and 888 from the China, so you must be come here and got your item that you order by the online. So let's see together. So here's the product, so we will see together for the unboxing for Boston Sticker.